Today we are going to learn about Python IDLE. Objective of this session is introduction and installation of Python IDLE on Windows operating system. When we install Python, we get Python interpreter, also called as Python shell. So how does this Python shell work? The shell waits for the input from the user. When the user enters the command, shell executes the command and displays the result. And the cycle repeated again and again. But in general, when Python user is creating his own program, he needs help while writing and executing his program. For that, an interactive environment is created, also called as Python IDLE. Integrated Development and Learning Environment. It executes single command just like Python shell, but has much more than that. Let's see what are the salient features of IDLE. Salient features of Python IDLE. It has Python shell and multi-window text editor with syntax highlighting. It has auto-completion and smart indent. It also has integrated debugger. The Python installer for Windows contains the IDLE module by default. So let's install Python IDLE from python.org. Open internet browser and go to python.org. This is home page of python.org. Go to downloads. As this system is Windows based, we'll select Windows. Please note that Python 3.5 plus cannot be used on Windows XP or earlier. So if you have Windows XP, you have to go for 3.4 or earlier versions of Python. So we'll select Windows. A new page is opened. It is written Python releases for Windows. Go down, you can see stable releases. As of today, Python 3.8.3 is the latest version, released on May 13, 2020. So we are going to download this version. As this system is 64-bit, we'll select Windows x86 64 executable installer. If you are 32-bit system, then you should select Windows x86 executable installer. So let's download Python 3.8.3. A new window will open up, opening Python 3.8.3 amd64.exe. Click on Save File. So I'm saving this file on desktop. Save. Double click on Python 3.8.3 amd64. And click on Install Now. Setup is in progress. The window says setup was successful. If you are new to Python, you can start online tutorial. Else you can click close.